My name is Josh, you're watching the channel Hidden Hammock, and today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency daisy chain for your hammock. After 1 year I finally went there, and then there was a horrible storm, so I couldn't. Someone's whistling. Alright guys, we made it to the perimeter of the oil refinery. You seen it right here guys, high risk area. You've been warned. Isn't that just glorious, man? That sandy walkway heading down to the beach. That beautiful massive oil tanker ship docked at the port, distributing fuel to the tanks, and then Refinery heads just cascading in the background on a picture perfect beautiful blue day with the birds flying past. Just unreal guys, absolutely fantastic. I don't run into every stealth camp, especially high risk ones blind, you know. You gotta suss it out, you gotta scope it out, you gotta plan. Yeah, you gotta make sure it's safe, because you don't want to get caught. Wow, those birds are crazy. Look at all the seagulls. There must be like heaps of fish chilling out underneath the boat and the shade. Wow, look at all the fuel tanks, guys. Look at all these birds. Crazy. Isn't that just the sight? Check this out, guys. Gonna sneak in here somewhere and try to find somewhere where I can make a temporary base, and then maybe I can just dash back to the oil refinery and sneak in to that underground pipe spot there and fulfill my mission of like wanting to do it for like 3 years. So let's have a look in here, see if we can find a base. If I hollow out these branches, I could probably go from there to this tree here as a temporary spot. I gotta charge my phone, it's about to die. Have a think about things. I'll see you on the flip. Alright, checking in guys. I just got my gear down there. I've been charging up my phone. It's now time to make a daisy chain. So I'm gonna grab my rope and my original daisy chain, and we're gonna go out to the beach and length it up, start making that, and yeah, then we'll come back. We'll try the daisy chain from here to there and hang the hammock in here and give it a test try. Let's do this. Okay, so we're going to need the original daisy chain because I want it to match this one. We're going to need the rope, 15 meters I got. We're going to need the lighter, and we're also going to need the sesame knife. Let's go. Oh, look how beautiful that is out there. My name is Josh, you're watching the channel Hidden Hammock, and today I'm going to show you how to make an emergency daisy chain for your hammock. The daisy chain is just a quick way to hang your hammock. Basically, it's just a long strap with a chain of loops going down every 10 to 15 centimeters. So I'm just gonna lie my original one out on the ground, and then we're gonna unravel this rope and we're gonna fold it in half, because basically we wanna make a chain basically the same length as this out of this rope. I definitely got 15 meters. Look at it way over there. There's my original daisy chain, and there's the end. I'm gonna fold this rope in exactly half, just like that. Now I'm gonna do that all the way to the end so I can find the exact middle. And boom, there we go. I'm gonna tie one knot pretty close to the end, and I'm gonna make sure that these are not too twisted and that they flow real nice. You want that first one to bite real good. Now I'm gonna get off the beach. I'm gonna find a tree to clip this to so that we can start making knots at the appropriate loop places. Okay, so that's the beginning of the daisy chain, and there's the beginning knot. Basically, we want to put our next knot right here. Bam, just like that. And then you want to keep going down and down and down until we have the same length as my original daisy chain. Just made this little guide stick from some twig just so I can measure the loops out at an even pace as I go. This will help keep the consistency of the loop, just like that. Just like that. We're just gonna carry on, guys. As you can see, guys, we're halfway through. And just staying consistent with the knots and loop cycle. Checking the distance between each knot so you get good loops and all the strands of rope are tight. There we go. We're going to cut the rope off. About here we'll leave a little bit. Take a lighter. And boom, guys. We got us a daisy chain. Let's sneak over and make a base in that bush over there while I wait for the sun to go down before I sneak into the oil refinery and stealth camp there tonight. Let's try it out. If this doesn't work, we're not camping. If it works, we're going in. And now for the new one. All right, let's hang in. Now we're just gonna do the weight test. Man. Success, guys. That is how to make a replacement daisy chain. That's how I done it. We're hanging. That's a pro tip from Hidden Hammock. So yeah, guys, I've been sussing this location out for like 3 years. After 1 year, I finally went there to suss it out, but I never camped there. And then there was a horrible storm, so I couldn't. Someone's whistling. It's an old lady. She's scoping me out. There was a lady. How close was that, guys? Hidden hammock, yo. She didn't even see me, man. I don't know, I think it's just a lonely old lady. I seen her walking down that way on the beach with a dog before. I don't know. Maybe she's crazy and old, but we're not in danger. But that's pretty stealthy, guys. If her dog comes past, she's gonna smell me. Oh, she's got the dog on the leash. Got her on the leash now. Hidden hammock, man. Yeah. Gotta watch out for them dog walkers, man. Gotta watch out for them dog walkers. They'll blow your spot, man. You'll blow your cover. I'm gonna go scope out and see if she's gone. Damn. Hey, man. We're in the clear, guys. Good job, guys. We stayed stealth. All right, guys. Tonight, that pipe walkway that goes out to where the oil tankers offloading underneath there is our target location tonight, guys. I am gonna have a crack. Sundown is like 6, probably 18 tonight. Probably want to go in there at like 5:30 to 5:40. Get straight in there, lay low, make sure it's all sweet, then get followed in. Have all our gear on top of the backpack ready, and then just fling up our new daisy chain, our old daisy chain, get that hammock connected, and run an extra bungee cord so we can set up for night mode. Blow up the air mattress really slowly so we don't get hurt, because there's workmen in hard hat gear and fluoro gear walking on that gangway above, so we can't get caught. Got to have minimal light tonight. If I'm using my phone, I got to use it inside my sleeping bag. Can't be talking, can't be like, you know, watching TV and stuff. So yeah, we're doing the stealth camp for the location tonight, man. And we've got to make sure we do everything to make sure it's a success. That's the plan. 5:30, 5:40 tonight. We got half an hour, 40 minutes to prepare. I'm gonna go back to base and relax and get it sorted. Let's go. If we don't pull it off, we're gonna use this as our secondary location because it's already cleared, primed and ready to go. I know it works. If we have to bail and we have to get out of there, we'll just keep continuing down the coast on our walking stealth mission. I hope everything goes well tonight. Pray to multiple gods. That's it. The sun's going down, guys. I got 5 minutes to pack up everything and then be ready to make our move. I'm gonna end the video here, start a whole new video. So thank you for coming along on an adventure with me, Josh. You'll be watching Hidden Hammock, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. If anyone wants to leave me some great questions in the comments, please send in your questions and I'll answer them in video form.